Well, welcome to Adsventures. We're out on a trip. We've been waiting quite a long time. We've had all the issues of the coronavirus. So Gindi and myself, we're on a trip. This trip's called 70 and Beyond. So we had huge rain heading through the east coast of Australia. So we left Bega, we went over the Alpine Way. It was pretty damn chilly, bit of snow around. And we ended up in Tumut. Put all our rain gear on because it was coming in a bit hard, and then off we went. We ended up just getting a motel in Wagga Wagga, which was fantastic. Went and had some Thai dinner, had a beer. We also had some black sambuca, and then we headed out the next day in the rain again, and we went out to Willandra, Leeton, Griffith, and we went out through Hillston. And that's when we left the tar, and we've gone out of Hillston up to this little area that you can see all around us, Willandra National Park. Where are we again, Gindi?
Willandra Station, National Park.
Just out of Hillston. Brand new tent over there. This is a result of the last trip, as you would have seen and heard.
No, that is a result of frustration.
Exactly. Exactly. Very peaceful, mate. Very peaceful. You need that to run.
If you go by yourself, you're much better off to have a little hold-up solar panel.
Solar panel, yeah.
You know, say a 10-watt solar panel will, if you flatten your battery and you've got sunlight for a whole day,
yeah,
and you put it on there, you will be able to start your engine after, say, 5-6 hours.
Lovely. Love pepper trees. Fantastic. What a room. Beautiful. So it was about 400,000 acres at its largest. Look at this. It's a letter here from what have we got? 1871. It's fascinating. 2020 is when I wrote, and the first submission is the year 2000. Wow. Isn't that gorgeous? So here we are at Willandra National Park. I'm just going to check out the men's quarters.
And look here. Come look at that. How beautiful is that all? Mate. Can we get tour, mate? Look at this. Fire pit over there. Old engine over there.
They actually thatched the roof with cane grass from the adjoining swamp to the homestead. So this was rehatched back in 1986. It's actually the ram shed. The rams were really well prized, well watered, well fed, and they kept them here to keep them nice and cool. And they were the bread and butter, the breeding rams on Willandra Station. Fantastic spot. Look at that, eh? Fantastic.